Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. Real quick video. I should add it to the last video. If you watch the first one, whenever we draw something, it's transparent. I don't know why I didn't think about this in the first place. When something's set like that, turn Corel off, hold down the F8 key, and start Corel back with the key held down, and it'll set everything back to normal. But I started thinking, all we have to do is go here and put no transparency, and you're going to get this dialog. Graphic, okay. So now, every time we draw a ellipse or a square or a polygon, it's not transparent. Or even if you fill in, it's not transparent. So all you have to do is have nothing selected as the key, go to transparent and put no transparency. I've never seen a reason that you would want, well, I'm not a graphic artist, so maybe I shouldn't say that, but that's the easy way to set it back. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.